Again. Callie, puppies. There's a Callie puppy. I don't know how good these videos are going to be. I'm going to try videoing them when if I have two friends coming over Sunday. We're going to give them all a bath. They all got rewormed today for the second worming. The only worms we found, at the vet from when we took a sample to the vet was roundworms, and they'll be gone on this second worming. So, yep, huh? The Callie puppies are so amazing, just how much even 6 days difference between ages of puppies make. Come here, baby. You can't go behind the couch. Come here, come here, come here. Puppy, puppy, puppies. As you can see, they are doing great. Hard to do videos now. They're just, come here, I didn't dare you guys. They're just too active. Come here, puppies. Puppy, puppy, puppies. Alright, this is it, because I got to feed them their dinner. Feed them their dinner. Come here, puppies. You need your dinner. How do we do they need her? Chica, Chica, come here. Chickadee. Chica, Chica. Chica. Okay, there's Chica's puppies.